Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We're starting off the morning mostly cloudy. Did have a few light rain showers push through the area early this morning. Right now we are dry with a few showers off to the west, but we'll be keeping a slight chance of a shower and maybe even a thunderstorm this late afternoon pushing through the area as that boundary continues to linger in the region. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We see that boundary is lifted just north of Wallops at the moment. A few showers up there near Salisbury and Ocean City, and a few showers off to the west that seem to be on a dissipating trend, but we'll keep that slight chance of seeing a shower as this boundary sticks around. This boundary is expected to slowly dissipate and lift north of the area today, leaving for what will probably be a mostly dry day for our Thursday. Looking at current conditions, as of 8 this morning, we had a few clouds around 2,000 feet, scattered deck 5,000 feet, and a broken deck at 10,000, a few clouds up there, broken deck at 18,000. Winds are light and out of the west at 6 knots, temperature at 79, relative humidity is at 84%. Looking at the local radar, we can see those few showers just north and east of Salisbury, extending over to the beaches, and they're continuing to push eastward. We did have the shower we're watching out to the west that's slowly dissipated over the last hour, so things look to be dry over the next couple hours again, with just a slight chance of seeing a shower. If we look at the current visible satellite along with the composite radar, we can see there's a lot more activity off to the west, again similar to yesterday morning. With that boundary in the area, we'll just keep an eye out for anything that may be popping up and pushing through the Wallops area. Otherwise, winds fairly light at the moment in the region, and plenty of cloud material spread out throughout the area. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model to see how things play out for today, you see those showers will push off to the east, and then, as you can see, just a slight chance of maybe a scattered shower, maybe even a thunderstorm as we get into the later part of the afternoon. But expecting things to be mostly on the dry side as we go throughout the day today. Models indicating maybe a little bit of better chance as we get into the later part of the afternoon and early evening hours of a couple of showers or storms moving through the area. But still, they will push through by midnight tonight, and then things should start to dry out as we get into our Thursday morning. As we go throughout the day on Thursday, we expect things to stay mostly dry. We'll have a very slight chance of a pop-up shower. Things will heat up, and we'll see likely a return of a heat advisory for tomorrow with some hot and humid conditions. And then as we get into tomorrow evening, we could see a little round of quick showers and storms move through right around the midnight hour and then pushing off to the east. And then things will dry out a bit to start our Friday before we have our next more significant rainmaker moving in as we get into Friday evening, as we have a front moving into the area again. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather vision chart, we do have the yellow for precip for the first hours this morning, and then a yellow for precip and lightning as we go throughout the day until midnight, again with that slight chance of seeing a shower or storm pop up with that boundary in the area and things warming up a bit. Do have a yellow for the heat index above 100. At the moment, expecting it to be just below 100, but we'll be getting close as we get into the afternoon hours, expecting highs to get up to around 87, but things will be really humid out there today. And then as we go into the evening, expecting a low of just 76, so fairly warm and muggy evening as we go into our Thursday. Should see clouds break up a bit as we go through the overnight hours as well, setting up for a warm and humid day for our Thursday. Winds should stay relatively light as we go throughout the day today, mainly out of the west-southwest, and then becoming more south-southwesterly as we go into our Thursday, allowing some of that warmer air to build back into the area. Right now, tides are running normal. We look at the next couple of days. For our Thursday, we'll start off mostly cloudy, becoming partly cloudy. It'll be a hot and humid day. We'll see heat index values around 100 to 105 degrees. So again, we'll have a good chance of seeing a heat advisory issued for tomorrow. And then again, that very slight chance of a late afternoon shower or storm popping up. Expecting a high around 93. Currently green across the board for weather risk for Thursday. As we get into Thursday evening, could see that little bit of energy move through again around midnight. So we'll be partly cloudy and warm, and then we'll have that slight chance of showers with thunderstorm moving through the area. Otherwise, expecting a low of 77. We do have the yellow for precip and lightning, with that little bit of energy moving through the area. For our Friday, another hot and humid day, partly cloudy. We'll see heat indexes again near 100 to 105, so possibly another heat advisory day. Good chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms in the late afternoon and evening hours, as that cold front will be moving into the area during that time frame and into the overnight hours. Expecting a high of around 91. We are orange for precip and lightning, mainly with that boundary moving in the area towards the later part of the day and early evening, and we could see some reduced ceilings and visibilities with those showers and storms moving through. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow, at 10 a.m. to look at the extended forecast. Have a good morning.